Have you ever wanted to start your own company, but it just seemed too difficult? In this video, I will show you a simple hack that allows you to buy a small business that you can then scale up and make massive. Maybe you want to make some extra income or work on your own terms or run a business that provides you with financial freedom so that you will never have to work a day in your life. If one of those resonates with you, you're lucky that you clicked on this video because there is a way that you can achieve those things. And that way is called entrepreneurship. Yes, you've heard that term and know what I'm talking about, but what if I told you that entrepreneurship doesn't need to be super hard? What if I told you that you could buy an existing business with customers and revenues?
No way.
Sounds too good to be true?
Yeah.
That's what I thought, until I discovered that there are thousands of people selling their businesses every day. There are several websites out there that allow you to see key details about these businesses or startups, and you can buy them from those websites for a good price. Some examples include Flippa, Empire Flippers, Shopify Exchange, and MicroAcquire. These websites list the type of business, their revenues, expenses, so that you know exactly what you're getting yourself into. If you are interested in how to pick the business that is right for you and how to analyze these various opportunities available, subscribe to this channel and check out my next video. Peace out.